Well, Ben and Jen, starting next Thursday, July 1st, adults 21 and older can have marijuana legally on their person or in their homes or in their cars. So that means there's going to be a shift for law enforcement in terms of how they police cannabis use.
We're going to be in all new territory here for the state of Connecticut. There's going to be a lot of different things that police are going to have to get used to.
With recreational marijuana becoming legal in Connecticut, adults 21 and older will be able to possess no more than 1.5 ounces and no more than 5 ounces in their homes or locked in the trunk or glove box of their cars, starting July 1st. For minors under 21, it's still illegal.
There's going to be an illegal market for that. Of course, that's true about alcohol, too. Kids still manage to get alcohol, and so they're probably going to still be able to get marijuana also.
It will be a Class A misdemeanor to sell or provide marijuana to anyone under 21. Police officers will also have to enforce safe driving. Earlier this year, the Connecticut Police Chiefs Association spoke out against the bill because of a lack of roadside testing to determine if someone is driving under the influence of marijuana. The legislation requires police to be trained in advanced roadside impaired driving enforcement and allows for people's driver's licenses to be suspended if they're found to be impaired behind the wheel.
Drug-impaired driving has already been a problem on Connecticut roadways even before the legalization of recreational marijuana. So if anything, this just raises the visibility of the issue.
AAA spokesperson Amy Parmenter says traffic safety advocates are calling on people to be responsible and remember that while recreational marijuana may be legal, it's still illegal to drive while high.
Just as you would take precautions and designate a sober driver if you were planning to drink, in that same way, AAA wants to make sure that those who are planning to use marijuana also designate a sober driver or just plan not to get behind the wheel.
Some people in Connecticut in favor of the legislation say they don't have public safety concerns, but also encourage people to be responsible.
It's not something that I would really ever be worried about, and nothing about it in DC made you ever feel like unsafe.
And also one of the big benefits of legalizing it is you can control it and you can, make sure it's safe for people. Like, it's not going to be laced with anything.
Now, certain cannabis-related convictions between January 2000 and October 2015 are going to be automatically erased, and people with convictions outside of that time period can also petition to have those erased. Live at the state capitol, Gabby Molina, Fox 61 News.